Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to convert Excel file into PDF format without the use of third-party software. We're going to use two methods to achieve this. Make sure you stick to the end of this video so that you don't miss any of the steps involved. To get started, simply open the Excel file you want to convert to PDF. Once the Excel file is opened, click on the File menu, then click on Save As. Click on Browse. Locate the folder directory where you want this file to be. Let's say you want it to be on the desktop folder. Click on the desktop. In the place where we have file name, give the name you want this file to bear. Once you have done that, where we have Save As type, click on it, then locate the PDF here and click on it. You can optimize this PDF file by either leaving it as standard. This standard is good for both online publishing and for printing, but if you select the minimum size, it will just be good for only online publishing. You can leave it as standard, and here you can open the file after publishing. If you uncheck it, it will not open after you have saved this PDF. Now you have the option of clicking here to do other setup. In the place of the page range, if you want the whole pages to be printed, you can select all. But if you want specific pages, you can just click on these pages and then you specify the pages you want to be printed. In the place where we have published Word, you can either print based on selection or active sheet, or you may wish to print the entire workbook. It all depends on what you need. Once you have set this, you can click OK, and if you are okay with what you said, you can just click Save, and this will be saved for you. You can see the example of what we have actually done. In the other way around, you can just still go back to your Excel sheet. Once you click on the File menu, click on Export. Then here you click on Create PDF. Now you can see the same method applies here. You choose the folder directory where you want the PDF to be saved. Once you locate the folder directory, do the settings here, and if you are okay, you can just click on Publish, and this will be saved as PDF file for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, and do well to turn on the notification bell for more on this particular channel.